Hello, honorable guardians and parents and teachers. At first, thank you so much as you are enjoying my videos day after day. Okay, I'm here with a new rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Hickory, Dickory Dock. Hickory, Dickory Dock. Okay, let's recite the poem, recite the rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. Here, honorable parents and teachers and guardians, you see here some word, the phonic sound, and here only clock and this word, this word. Hickory Dickory Dock. Sometimes some parents or teachers or guardians pronounce the word Hickory Dickory. Hickory Dickory. But is it right? But our phonic symbol tells us this is Hickory, because you see the phonic symbol Hickory. Hickory, small letter, he, ka, ri. This is the symbol. This is H, ha, e, a, ka, a, ra, e. Hickory. This is Hickory, not Hickory. It is Hickory. And the same time, the same way, Dickory. Hickory, Dickory. And you see the clock. We pronounce this clock. Somebody pronounce clock. It is clock. It is clock. Clock. This is K, L, and O. This is O. Ha. This is clock. This is the symbol. Phonic symbol. The phonic symbol, the phonic sound, the phonic symbol from Oxford Dictionary tells us that the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation, the correct sound of the word is clock. Clock, not cloak. This is clock. Okay, again, this is the last rhyme, and I would like to recite again. You see, Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay, and that's all, honorable parents and teachers and viewers. Okay, bye. Thank you.